you're a homeowner who's dealing with German roaches and you're disgusted with them, you want them gone, you don't want to see them again, which is understandable, but you're doing one thing wrong. You're using this right here, Raid. Raid is good for killing them on contact, but not good for the results you want, right? So in this video, I'm going to tell you why this isn't what you should be using, and I'm going to give you some options of what you should be using. And if you want all of that plus more, I'm leaving a resource down below in the description and the pinned comment that gives you everything you need. The chemicals list, my step-by-step process, and easy spots to know where to look for to get you started. And if, like I say, if you want that, it'll be down below in the description, in the pinned comment, a little both. But back to it, Raid is not good. Why? Raid is an on-contact kill and a repellent. Now, you might be hearing that and be like, this is what I want, this is what I need. I don't want to see them and I want to kill them, correct? But if you're in a single family home, all you're doing is pushing them into the walls. Now, you don't want that because now on the outside, you're killing the ones you see, but you're keeping the ones behind the wall reproducing, mating, and once this spray wears off, because it will wear off, you have to keep applying it for you to keep some sanity, right? But this is a lot of money. This is like $4 to $5 now. And you spend that money every week, spraying and spraying and spraying. It's a lot. How do I know? When I was younger, my mom used to buy the same can. We had roaches. We have German roaches. She bought it for 10 years. For 10 years, the roaches still stayed. They left for like a day or so, but they will come back every time, to the point where she used to buy 5 of these cans a week. And it's not good to keep spraying chemicals in the house. It's not good to breathe this in consistently. So this is why I'm not suggesting this to anybody if they have roach problems, especially German roach problem, because it's not going to do anything, right? So what I would suggest is getting a non-repellent spray and an IGR. Now, if you don't know what a non-repellent spray is, when you spray it, they don't see it, they don't sense it, they walk over it, they go back to the colony, spread against with their friends, and it kind of kills them that way. And IGR kind of stops them from growing, what you really want for German roaches, because if you don't have that, you can kill them, but they will still be reproducing, and you kind of need both, right? This has neither. You don't want this. Throw this away. Stop buying this. Stop buying this, right? And get the things that you should be getting: an IGR and a non-repellent spray, Alpine, Samari, stuff like that works very well for that. But like I said, if you do want that, the full list of what I use and how I use it, it's in the link below. It gives you everything that you need, a step-by-step plan, the chemicals, and some spots that you can start looking to get you a head start on it, and that's below, right? But stop using this. Please stop using this, because this is not what you need. You need an actual plan. You need a process, and that's what I give you in the resource below. So go check that out, right? Go check that out.